Riwruok mar KUPPET kod duol mochung'ne ndiko jopuonje pacho ka Teacher Service Commission nobedo kod winjruok mar tieko ng'anyo. Jagoro maduong' mar KUPPET Akelo Misori odaro ni romo mane gibedo godo Teacher Service Commission onyiso okang' mane gisekawo mar chopo dwach jopuonj gino mamiyo ng'anyo koro gitieko. Kendo kwa jopuonj duto ma jokanyo mag KUPPET mondo mi koro dogi tich mana kaka ne giseloso.
We have got a host of things. In the ensuing arrangement, in compliance with the court order which was instituted and which is coming up on 5th, that is Thursday, from the union side, we suspend the strike and ask all our teachers to go back to class pending the speedy resolutions of these matters as already agreed upon between us and the Commission.
And after a day-long meeting, we are happy to report to the nation that we have reached an amicable settlement which will enable our teachers resume duty immediately. As promised on August 21st, 2021, the Commission is today pleased to confirm that the government provided funds for the implementation of the second phase of the CBA with effect from the 1st July 2024, and all our teachers have benefited from the same together with the arrears attendance.